In today's video, I am going to teach you how to publish and sell an ebook online with Kit. Once you are logged into your Kit account and you are on the main dashboard, you are going to start in the top navigation bar. Look across the top menu and click Earn. This is the area where Kit keeps the tools for selling digital products, so it is the right place to begin when your goal is to publish an ebook and take payments online. After you click Earn, Find, and click Products. This opens the Products section, where you can view anything you have already created and where you can add a new item for sale. On this page, click New Product. This tells Kit you want to set up a fresh product listing from scratch. Now you will be asked for your ebook title. Type the title exactly as you want customers to see it. Choose something clear and specific, since the title will help people understand what they are buying. When you are ready, click Next to move forward. On the pricing screen, set your price. Take a moment to double-check the amount before continuing, because this is what Kit will charge your buyers. If you plan to change pricing later, you can, but it is best to start with a price you feel confident about. Once your price is entered, click Next again. Next, you will choose the product type. Select Digital Download. This is the correct option for an ebook because it delivers a file automatically after purchase. Then upload your ebook file using either a PDF or an EPUB version. Before you upload, it helps to confirm your file opens correctly, the formatting looks right, and the file name is professional, since this is what customers will download. After your file is uploaded, click Create Product. Kit will build the product page and connect your digital file to the purchase flow, so buyers can pay and receive the download without you sending anything manually. Finally, click Publish. Publishing makes your ebook product live, which means it is ready to be shared and sold. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.